guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am doing a book haul video. I recently just picked up some books, and I know this isn't a video I normally do, but I decided to change it up a little bit. This is my first haul video. I read a lot. If you guys want a bookshelf tour or anything, I don't have a bookshelf, I just have it all around my room, which is really so if you want a storage, a cheap alternative to storing books, then please let me know. This is a book haul video and we are just gonna get into it. I'm new to this, so bear with me. And yeah, so anyway, thank you all for watching and let's get on to the video. So the first book I have, and the book that I'm reading, I'm on chapter 7, is Follow Me Back by A.V. Geiger, and this is a mystery thriller romance. And then I have The Couple Next Door by Sherry Lapina, and this book is about a couple. I'm guessing it's a thriller. My sister read it. She said it was really good, so I decided to get it. Behind Closed Doors, which is another thriller. B.A. Paris, Behind Closed Doors. And this is another thriller about a marriage, I think. Big Little Lies by Lane Moriarty. Excited to read it. And these books at Barnes & Noble, I got 3. Like, buy 2, get 1 free. So, that's really exciting. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later in my next video. And if you guys have any reviews on these books before I read them, please let me know. And yeah, if you guys like this little segment on my channel, then let me know. Bye guys.